Hey everybody, it's Arabella from Arabella's Heart for Art, and I never say that, but I don't know why, but I did. And here I want to show you what I did so far in my new, artsy, oddly shapely, journaly bookie. And yeah, I did do work in it, like here I doodled, I colored a little bit, this teal color, and this stayed the same. Here I also colored some blue, and here I drew some lines. I just wanted to make something glittery, so this is with a glitter pen. I don't know if you can see it, if this, yeah, it's picking up. I see it. And on the other side I drew these lines. This was white, and that I drew these lines a bit more on the inside. Nothing changed. No. Here I also made this a little bit more purple, I see. And this is the most, these pages, they changed the most, so I colored them red and orange, and made some lines more distinctive, and with these round sort of faux bubbles. Yeah, it's not really bubbles, it's just round with some lines attached. So yeah, I really love this. I think this is almost done. So also the shape is really fun. So with this shape over here, let's see if I can show you a little bit better. So like that. Yeah, this I didn't do anything. Same, and here I made this a little bit bluish. This was all a bit white over here. Here I made a little bit blue purplish. Let's see. Oh yeah, this really is the biggest change, because I made this, the other side of this, really orange. So I don't want you to get shocked. Boom! Look what I made, really orange. And this also I changed. I stuck down another page, another piece of paper, a gel print. What was behind it I didn't like, and here I also made some orangey thingies so that this flows a little bit or something. And this is also really changed. This page on the back side is still white, and this I didn't do anything. This is just painty, no, gel print that I made. I made an envelope, and here I drew some round thingies. On the back side I drew some round thingies, but I want to change. I'm not really happy about this. It's too, yeah, loose-handed, too much. I don't know. This I like. I just cut it and made this more also distinctive edge. Here I didn't change, and on the inside I painted this. This was also white, and I made these round movements with my brush. So yeah, I like that, but I don't know if I'm keeping that like that. I also changed this. I stuck down a really bold, bright, round gel print on the back side. Here I didn't change anything with these. And this I didn't show the right way. I think this is the right way, perhaps. There you can see the eyes and the ooh what I said on the last video, and I didn't do it the right side up. But is this the right way, or is this the right way to show it? Let's see if I can do it like that. Ooh! Ooh! I see it, but I don't know if the camera, if you can see it, but well, let's see. Am I on the right side? Yes, this is the good side. Red pages didn't do anything. I like them. So here you can see a little bit of depth here. I see. You can see the layers, and that's something I like. So I'm keeping it like that for now. This I just accentuated the edges. Here I drew some lines, and here, and on the back side the same. I just accentuated the edges of everything, and here I saw sort of a chicken eye, and that's what I doodled. Do you see it? And here the beak, and I really made it a little bit more pointy on the end, but the eye was already there. I just only accentuated it a little bit. So, and also this was already there. So this looks like what's on the top of the head of not a hen, but how do you call it? You know what I mean. I hope you know what I mean. But here was only sort of a blob, and this is what I made from it. I think that's that page with the blob. I don't remember exactly, but here this I made blue, and in between. And this is really, and it's really funny. So, like that, and this is also new. This is a gel print, and it's a little bit crinkly, but the paper, but I still stuck it down because I like the colors. And now I have a fold out with white, so I can paint here again. So that's also changed. This, nothing changed. Yeah, I stuck down this one. This is the back side of this one. And this is also new, and this is new. This is something I stuck down. And then this looked a little bit like a wing, but it's just newspaper that was backdrop paper. And yeah, it looked a little bit like a wing, almost. Well, I have a lot of imagination, okay. Oh yeah, this also changed, but because I stuck this down, this is now white, the back side of this. So now I have to, yeah, I want to make this the same a little bit, or yeah, do something else. I don't know. But yeah, I like this circle page. Here I didn't do anything. I didn't work on this one, didn't work on that one. Also didn't work on the flap out with these continents. And this doesn't look like Africa at all. I didn't know what I was thinking the last time. This does look like England a little bit, but and here a little bit Norway. These shapes, yeah, they reminded me of Europe a little bit, but and here nothing changed yet. Here I did do this. I stuck down a little bit of doodling, and well, this was a gel print, I see, and this didn't change. Only the edges a little bit, and this I made red in between, and this red. And I stuck this in between, a new round one with white on the back, so I have to, yeah, I'm going to paint that or something. Here I only cut a shape out. I don't know why, because on the other side I don't like it now, but I can draw this, so it's no big deal. No, this didn't change, nothing. And here I stuck down a few gel prints. that looked a little bit like wings. And this is black ink. I had these pages that I made. I tried to make something, I don't know exactly, carve wood and then make monoprints. And these came out so black. And then, yeah, I just folded here and stuck it down. So this is a little bit, it's going to be a sort of a butterfly or an abstract butterfly, maybe with a raised bodice or something. I don't know yet. I don't know if I'm saying it correctly, but I think you can understand what I mean. So I really like this one. I don't know exactly what I'm going to do with all that white around it. And here I stuck down the page that we cut together, so that in the last video about this book, the oddly shaped journal-like book, I don't know exactly what it was called, something like that. And yeah, I stuck it down on this side because I really like these pages together, so with the color a little bit, yeah. And also I wanted to make this sort of a tab and let as much as possible the pages stick out as much as possible. So oh, excuse me, there's no change here. I didn't do anything yet, so this so that I can see. No, I didn't do anything yet. It's still the same on the back, so this still I have to paint. So I still have a lot of work ahead of me, and I really like it. I'm keeping yeah, how do you call it? Thinking about this one. I want to change pages, and yeah, this is really, it's keeping me engaged. I think that's the word I was looking for. So yeah, well, I will keep it, leave it at this. And if you have any questions or something, or want to leave me a comment, that's I really would appreciate it. So, and well, I will see you in the next video. I really love making videos, but now maybe I'm changing. Moving house, so I'm getting a little bit more busy, and well, so I will keep you updated about that, and I will see you in the next video, and thank you for watching. Bye. Doei doei. Bye bye.